So I'm with Breon here in the Samsung booth, and we're going over the new slide-in Samsung range.
Yes, this is our new 8700 gas. And this particular model, as you can see, for 2024, we've added precision knobs. So it uses a pinch, push, turn method in order to ignite that burner. And as you can see, we have that visual cue as well. So it's illuminated. So no more accidents in the kitchen as far as accidentally turning on that burner, because you have to do that pinch, push, turn. And on top of that, you get that visual cue. And then this has our AI smart dial as well built in, which will put your most used settings at the very beginning of the list. That way it gives that customer the ease of being able to select that option right away. And one of my very, very favorite features of this particular unit, it does have a smart in-oven camera, which is housed just behind this glass here. So let's say if you want to see your frozen pizza go from frozen to done, you're able to do that now through smart things without ever having to open your oven.
And like if I'm doing a souffle, let's say, and unfortunately, right, a lot of times when you open a door, sometimes that can cause that souffle to not, or lemon meringue pie, I guess, would be the better correlation, right? So we can keep that door closed and see how it's going.
Absolutely. You're not letting any of that precious heat out as you do that. So it does have convection and air fry as well on board, giving you that room or that large capacity to be able to air fry.
Yeah, and this is part of that Samsung AI realm, right?
Absolutely, yes, yes.
Great. Any other great features? I see the last feature I'm really seeing that kind of stands out is this wok grate here,
Correct.
burner.
You're looking at 23 BTU on that burning power from that. So super, super powerful burner there. And as you can see, it has that brass ring inside as well.
So if you're impatient, you need to boil that water quickly, or if you're doing something in a wok and you need that higher temperature, this is going to be the burner for you.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Breon, thank you for showing us the new range and the other great products that Samsung's offering.
Absolutely.